In this video, you'll learn how to cancel your Higgsfield AI subscription. This process involves navigating through several settings to ensure your subscription is properly terminated. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Higgsfield AI website. Once the page is fully loaded, you will see options for their AI video generator and image generator. Look for the user profile icon, typically located in the upper right corner. Next, click on the profile icon. This action will reveal a drop-down menu that includes various account management options. From this menu, select Manage Account to proceed to your account settings. After that, you will be directed to the account management page. Here, look for the account settings option and click on it. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your account, including your subscription details. Once you are on the account settings page, locate and click on the subscription tab. This will bring you to a screen where your current subscription details are displayed, allowing you to review your plan and billing information. Following this, click on the subscription button to access specific subscription management options. This screen will provide you with the ability to make changes to your subscription or cancel it altogether. Next, you will need to click on billing information. This section contains details about your payment methods and billing history. It is important to review this information to ensure everything is accurate before proceeding with the cancellation. After reviewing your billing information, click on Manage Your Billing Details displayed on your invoices. This action will take you to a detailed view of your billing setup, where you can confirm that you are ready to cancel your subscription. Then click on the Manage option. This will allow you to see the specifics of your subscription plan, including the cancellation option. Make sure to take note of any potential fees or notice periods associated with cancellation. Finally, click on Cancel Plan may appear, asking you to verify your decision to cancel. Confirm your choice to complete the cancellation process. It is advisable to check your email for a confirmation message regarding the cancellation to ensure that it has been processed successfully. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.